Hello everybody and welcome to one of our how-to guides. I'm going to decorate this simple blue spruce garland. Now to get to this stage, visit our YouTube channel and one of our how-to guides there will show exactly how to get to this stage. Alright, now to decorate this I'm going to use some beautiful red Naomi roses, some pine cones. Christmas wouldn't be Christmas without pine cones. I've got 3 water vials which I have filled previously with water. I've got some orange slices that I've pre-wired and some cinnamon sticks. Also wired those and popped some raffia around them. I have a skein of raffia here as well that I'm going to tie the roses in with. Okay. Got my usual toolkit, so scissors, wires, twine. Okay, I hope you enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing our spruce garland decorated with fresh flowers and some dried products. I have some top tips for you if you want to create this yourselves. So my first tip would be you can add your dried products in advance just to save time before the big day, and then perhaps add your fresh flowers either on the morning or the night before. They do have the little water vials, so they could be done the night before. So my second top tip is there are other ways to attach the fresh products. As you can see, I used a water vial and then tied them in. That is quite time consuming and quite labour intensive. You could just tuck them in, you could just literally wire them in, tape them and then wire them in. Or if you've got little votive jars, you could pop a single rose in the votive jar and then just tuck them in beside the garland, create the same kind of impression. And lastly, but quite importantly, my top tip number 3 is if you are making the garland in advance, I would strongly recommend that you use twine rather than wire. If you're using wire, you're then placing it into a cellophane lined box and keeping it wet. You do run the risk of the binding wire going rusty. So yeah, I would advocate using twine if you're then going to use it on a table afterwards. You really don't want rusty wire on your dining table. All right. I hope this has inspired you. I hope it's got you in the festive mood. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more tips and hints and inspirational ideas. Bye for now.